Athens, the capital of Greece, stands as a city of unparalleled historical significance and vibrant modern life. Often hailed as the birthplace of democracy, philosophy, and Western civilization, it offers a mesmerizing journey through millennia of human endeavor. From the timeless grandeur of the Acropolis to the bustling energy of its contemporary neighborhoods, Athens is a city where ancient ruins powerfully coexist with a dynamic urban pulse, offering a unique tapestry of experiences for every visitor. At the heart of Athens' identity lies its extraordinary ancient past. The city's golden age, particularly the 5th century BCE, under the leadership of Pericles, saw an explosion of intellectual and artistic achievement that laid foundational stones for Western thought. Democracy, as we know it, originated here. Philosophical giants like Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle pondered the fundamental questions of existence within its walls. Dramatists such as Aeschylus, Sophocles, and Euripides developed tragedy and comedy, forms that still resonate today. The most iconic symbol of this ancient glory is the Acropolis. Rising majestically above the urban sprawl, this rocky citadel is home to some of the world's most recognizable and revered architectural masterpieces. The Parthenon, dedicated to the goddess Athena, remains a breathtaking testament to classical Greek architecture, its Doric columns and intricate friezes embodying timeless beauty and precision. Adjacent to the Acropolis lies the ancient Agora, the historical heart of ancient Athenian public life. This vast archaeological site was once the commercial, political, and social center of the city. Here, citizens debated laws, philosophers lectured, and market vendors conducted their trade. Key structures include the well-preserved Temple of Hephaestus, one of the best examples of a Doric temple, and the reconstructed Stoa of Attalos, which now houses the Agora Museum, offering invaluable context to the site. The National Archaeological Museum is a treasure trove of Greek antiquity, one of the most important archaeological museums in the world. Its vast collections span prehistory to late antiquity, including masterpieces of sculpture, pottery, jewelry, and metalwork, providing a comprehensive overview of ancient Greek art and civilization. Beyond these, the Museum of Cycladic Art showcases distinctive marble figurines from the Cycladic Islands, while the Banaka Museum covers a broader spectrum of Greek history and culture, from prehistoric times to the present. Athens also bears the indelible marks of its Byzantine past. After the decline of the Roman Empire, Athens became part of the Eastern Roman Empire, and numerous small, exquisite Byzantine churches dot the city center, offering serene pockets of spiritual beauty amidst the urban sprawl. Their distinctive architecture, frescoes, and mosaics provide a glimpse into a less-known but equally significant period of Athenian history. Beyond its ancient past, modern Athens is a vibrant, bustling European capital. The city underwent significant revitalization in preparation for the 2004 Olympic Games, improving its infrastructure, public spaces, and cultural facilities. Syntagma Square, the central square of Athens, is the heart of contemporary political and social life. It's home to the Parliament building, where the changing of the guard ceremony, performed by the traditionally dressed Evzones, is a popular spectacle. From here, grand avenues lead to upscale shopping districts and cultural institutions. The charming Plaka district, nestled at the foot of the Acropolis, is one of Athens' oldest continuously inhabited areas. Its labyrinthine streets, lined with neoclassical houses, souvenir shops, tavernas, and cafes, evoke a bygone era. It's an ideal place for a leisurely stroll, to enjoy traditional Greek food, and soak in the atmosphere. Nearby, Monastiraki Square is famous for its flea market, a chaotic yet captivating experience where you can find everything from antiques and handmade crafts to clothing and records. Syri and Gazi are two of Athens' most vibrant nightlife districts, bustling with bars, restaurants, and live music venues. These areas, once industrial zones, have been transformed into trendy cultural hubs, showcasing the city's dynamic contemporary scene. The city's culinary scene is a delightful journey of Mediterranean flavors. From traditional tavernas serving moussaka, souvlaki, and fresh seafood to modern gastronomic restaurants pushing the boundaries of Greek cuisine, Athens offers a feast for food lovers. Its vibrant cafe culture, particularly in areas like Kolonaki, provides ample opportunities for people watching and enjoying strong Greek coffee. Athens continues to evolve, balancing the imperative to preserve its priceless heritage with the demands of a modern, forward-looking society. Challenges like urban density, traffic, and economic pressures are part of its reality, but they are met with a resilient spirit and an undeniable charm. The ongoing archaeological discoveries, the thriving arts scene, and the warmth of its people contribute to a city that is constantly reinventing itself while remaining deeply rooted in its glorious past. In conclusion, Athens is more than just a historical site. It is a living, breathing metropolis where every corner seems to whisper tales of emperors, philosophers, and ordinary citizens across millennia. It invites visitors not just to witness history, but to participate in its ongoing narrative, making it an endlessly fascinating and profoundly enriching destination.